Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hi, my name is Naomi and this is The Real NaomiB, where we focus on lifestyle, fashion, beauty, and travel. And as you can already tell by the title of this video, we'll be talking about some of my fall essentials that every girl needs in her closet. However, fall can be very temperamental, so we're going to pull our focus and talk more about outerwear, specifically jackets, blazers, coats, things of that nature. So we're going to dive right in and get into blazers. I have a few blazers that I absolutely love. My wardrobe is currently pretty neutral. I wanted it that way because I'm looking to create a more timeless wardrobe, one that can take me from season to season. So that's why first blazer that is on our list is going to be this linen and wool blend. I got this from H&M and it is a part of a suit. I find that it is such a good quality blazer. It will keep you cool enough in the summertime if you want to add a bit of layer, but still warm enough for those cooler fall evenings. With this blazer, I decided to go up a size so I can layer it with turtlenecks and sweaters when it starts to get cooler. I love the color of this blazer, and I also love the length because it comes all the way down to my thigh. This color is so versatile. You can really play it up or down, and that is really what I like about the components that I currently have in my closet. I got it in store about 3 months ago, I believe. I wore it throughout summer, but still warm enough to regulate your internal temperature during the fall. Now this navy blazer was thrifted. I got it from the men's section. I absolutely love the fit of this blazer. It's definitely more fitted than the tan blazer that I had on previously. I love that this is also a long line blazer. It comes all the way down to my thigh. I love the gold details on this piece. It is so stunning. This blazer is a piece that I pull out when I'm trying to dress up an outfit. If I'm going to dinner, still gives the sophistication that I'm looking for. Honestly, I've had this in my closet for the past 3 years. I don't think I'm ever going to get rid of it. I just love the fit of it. I think it's so perfect. Definitely a piece that I'm gonna have for a long time. You can find a similar blazer like this on Zara, H&M, Simo Duty. When I'm looking for a really nice quality elevated piece as this, I like to shop the men's section. So that's a tip. Whenever you're thrifting and you're thrifting outerwear, check the men's section because they're going to have really better quality blazers in my opinion. I love it. A true staple in my closet for sure. Another fall must-have is a tweed blazer. Oh my god, I'm absolutely obsessed with this one. What I love about this blazer is the versatility. It meets just above my hips. I just think a tweed blazer adds that little bit of sophistication and femininity that you may be looking for in your outfit. I just love the gold button detail. I think it adds that extra something. The details and the colors that they use in this piece is just so beautiful. A tweed blazer is never going out of trend. It is going to stand the test of time, and that's one thing that I preach on this channel over and over. Trends can be so fun. In my opinion, trends can be very expensive because you're gonna find that within a few months you're gonna have to get rid of it because no one's wearing it anymore. It's out of fashion or it's out of date. But for someone like me that prefers a more timeless wardrobe, I tend to gravitate towards more traditional pieces. I would prefer to put my money into something that I know is going to last me a few years, or even something that I can pass down to my future kids. I mean, no offense if you're a trendy girl. Do what makes you happy. Spend your money and buy things that makes you happy. However, if you're looking for more tips and ideas of more timeless pieces, then this is the channel for you. Our next category of outerwear is going to be trench coats. This is not your traditional trench coat, and we will get into those in just a minute. I just wanted to add this option in. I am obsessed with it. I haven't actually seen anything like it on the market so far. It is so nice. It comes all the way down to my knees. It has the button detail in the middle. I normally wear it open. If you wanted to close it up, you could, but this is just such a piece. So cute, so beautiful. I love the color. I don't know if you would call it a trench. I'm not sure if it's a trench, but I just wanted to mention it in this video because since I got it, I've been obsessed with it. This was thrifted. This is definitely something that I will be taking care of and ensuring that it doesn't get ruined because I don't know how I would replace it. Now we have a traditional trench coat. This one has a really nice belt that I use to create some definition to my waist. I got it from my wife's closet, but she actually thrifted it years before she met me. We've been married for over 3 years, so that's very telling about the quality of this trench coat. I could pass this down to my future children. It goes all the way down to my calves and I absolutely just love that about it. I love the double collar and lapel detail that is on this. It is just so good. All the little details and little touches that this coat has. Of course, it has 2 big pockets. Every time I've worn this trench, I've gotten a compliment. Every single time. I cannot remember a time that I've worn this trench and someone hasn't complimented me on it. The traditional trench color, the cut of the coat, all these little details just adds to how much I absolutely love this piece. This will not leave my closet. I just don't see myself finding something quite like this ever again. Another thing I love about this trench is the beautiful checkered print on the inside of the coat. Sometimes when I'm walking and the breeze blows the coat open, that nice checkered print really does stand out. Nice touch to the trench. I'm telling you, stunning. I'm obsessed. The next piece that I want to talk about is a duster. I got this duster earlier this spring. I was lucky enough to find this piece in Primark. This duster looks so much like my trench coat with the double collar and lapel vibe going. It also has this really nice belt detail as well that you can use to tie, cinch your waist. I've worn it to the airport, I've worn it to the grocery store. I've also dressed it up and wore it over a dress to dinner, to the opera with a nice bag and some heels. It is just so good. You guys, can you believe that I got this in Primark? Such a steal. And I also got it on sale. I believe I paid maybe $8 for this. I love the length of it, but I also love the fabric. It's very soft to the touch. The duster is definitely an item that I think will be very versatile and very useful in your closet this fall. Our last fall wardrobe essential is going to be a cardigan. This one is from Zara. My mom got it for my birthday. I am completely obsessed with the quality, the look, the color of it. The classic navy and white stripe is just so fall. It looks way more expensive than it actually is, and I know the girls love that. I'm not sure if you can see the details on the button, but honestly, such a nice touch. I have no words for this. I'll link it in the comments if I can find it, and if I can't, I'll be sure to link something quite similar. I really am over the summer. I really am excited for fall. I'm tired of being hot. I think that the fall season is where your fashion sense really comes out because you can really play with your outfits. Anyways, that is it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you do not miss whenever I post another video. And until next time, love you, bye.